When you host your next party, don't forget the DD.
A designated driver could keep you out of trouble, out of prison, and it could have saved an 18-year-old's life and a family's reputation.
We started asking questions after 2 adults were charged when a teenager left their house and died in a car wreck. The teenager was drinking at the parents' party. WFMY2's 2's Emily Spain found out adult or underage, you could still be responsible.
We might have thought about it 100 times. Am I okay to drive? But have you thought about if you're a host of a party, you are liable for your guest actions if they're intoxicated when they leave and if they get in trouble? I talked to a lawyer who says it's easy to stay out of trouble.
It's basically common sense. Did you know or should you have known that the person was impaired and going to drive? Did you know or should you have known that you were serving alcohol to a minor?
David Daggett is talking about something called social host liability. That's a legal term. It basically means you could be charged or sued when you serve alcohol on your property and your guests get in trouble, like a car accident. You can also be held responsible for underage people who drink at your party, regardless of who supplied them with the drinks. It happened in Raleigh. Just yesterday, neurologist Charles Matthews and his wife Kimberly were arrested and charged with 4 counts each of aiding and abetting the consumption of alcohol of minors, including their own 18-year-old son, Taylor. Taylor faces charges too, 3 counts of providing alcohol to minors after he bought a bottle of liquor from an ABC store. His friend, 18-year-old Jonathan Taylor, died in a car crash on June 29th after he left the Matthews house intoxicated. Daggett says parents often use the same excuse.
Well, it's safer for us to buy it and them drink it at our house. Well, somebody leaves and something bad happens, it's just not a good idea. And they can be held criminally responsible and civilly responsible.
Daggett told me if you are serving alcohol and minors are there, make sure to keep them separated from where people are drinking and that your rules are clear. Frank?
Yeah, Attorney David Daggett says the charges the Matthews face could mean anything from probation to a fine to jail time.